Well, today's price action was a bit of a battle. Not gonna lie, it wasn't easy, but we were able to lock it in, making some great profits today. I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of the trades, some winners, some losers, and the focus, right? The big focus for me is if I enter a trade, I get stopped out. Okay, that's totally fine. We're gonna lose small, we're gonna win big, right? Lose small, win big. Lose small, win big. Gonna break it all down right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned live right here on YouTube this morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. If you haven't already tuned in tomorrow morning. But let's get into the trades. Let's move up here above the 10s or higher, up to the 12s is my target. A little push back to the 09s, looking for this to move to 12s or higher. Having trouble pushing up there. Let's give it a little bit of time. It just opened market. Keeping my stop like right down here below the lows. See if we can't push through that 605 level. And having trouble there, pulling back now. Getting denied at the 10s. Might get stopped out here. Give the 600 level another chance to bounce. They bounced it multiple times yesterday off the 600s. Let's see if they can do it again. And it looks like we might get stopped here. Getting stopped out there. $1,000 and pulling back right now, looking to see if we get this break below the 90s. And for this, I'm going to move my stop below 90 here. I want to see 88s or lower. 90 getting tested. First break below 90s. Moving my stop here, the 600s. I just entered the trade, 5 Mile. What do you want me to say? I literally just entered it. This is the 2000 tick chart we're looking at right now. 2000 tick chart. Got my stop at break even here, so get back below 95 here and retest that 90s. If we push back above 600 here, I'll look to get long back above 600 if they're going to squeeze this back up. Currently short, obviously, from the 99s. Just get back below the 95s here. We can get moving down to the 90s here. Beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put one buy at the 88.50s and then hold on to 2. See if we can't get down to the 80s after this break below 90s. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor, hit that like button. Also, if you want to learn more about Top Step, how you can get into a funded account and you can start day trading today, hit the link down below. 20% discount on the Top Step Combine. You get a 90% profit split once you get into a funded account. So 90% of the profits go into your pockets and 10% go into Top Step. So let's keep trading, baby. Let's keep going. Keep showing you guys the action here today. See, we get our first fill there at the 88s. One contract. Down there at the 90s. 91 bouncing here. Can we get that breakthrough 90s here? 91, 91. Come on. Bum, bum, bum. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we need 40 more likes, 35 more likes until 300. Dun, 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 dun. Can we break 90s here? Come on. There we go. 88's coming up. Give me that 80 touch. Give me that 80 touch. Touch 80s. There we go. Getting filled one there at 88. Still got 2 more left. Looking to see if we can't get a move lower into the 80s next. I'm going to take one more off right there just because I don't like how it's bouncing back there so much. But 87s now. I mean, the 80s is the low here. If you see on the chart right now, that's where we bounced at last night. So that's why I'm saying, when I say 80s, I mean, that's 84, 85s. I mean, it's not like exact 80s. Right now, you can see some liquidity stacking up there at the 85s. 88s sitting here now. I'm going to move my stop right now to the 88s just to guarantee that's our profit target here. If we can get a move below 86s, beautiful either way. Market trying to squeeze back up here now. Can we get that push up above the 90s? Beautiful. Looking for 92s or higher. 92s or higher. Can we get that push to the 92s? My target at the 92.50s. Oh, come on. 91.75. It touched. One fill there. 92s. 92 push. Come on, baby. Got some buyers coming in there at the 90s right now trying to hold this up. Can we push it 92s or higher? I can see a move at least to the 95s here. Getting filled there. Beautiful. Still got my 2 contracts left here. Moving those to the 87s. And I'd like to see a push up to the 95s next. This is the 2000 tick chart we're looking at right now. So I'm gonna put an order here at the 94.50s. Getting filled there, beautiful, still going. I'm gonna look for the push all the way to the 600s next. Got one contract left as a runner here. We took profit on 2 contracts, took profit right there at the 92s and the 94.50s, looking for a push above the 600s here. Literally, guys, the worst thing you can do is go on live stream on the chat and then sit in the chat the whole time and just literally sit there and go, I've been a day trader for 20 years. If you're a trader for 20 years, what the fuck are you doing on YouTube watching a live stream right now? Literally, like, we don't need your advice. We don't want it. We don't want to listen to it. Literally every fucking day. Can't hold the 86s here. It might be looking for another move down here. Market at the 88s, looking weak here. I'm thinking this is gonna start to roll off and stop me out, but we'll just let it play out here. Looking stoppy. 86s now. If it's gonna hold this 86s here, I want to squeeze back up over 88s and then go up there to the 600s. Looking squeezy here. 95's coming up there. 95's getting filled too there. We got another contract in the 98s. I'm gonna move that now that we've been that close to getting filled, just to push it above the 600s. See if we can try this breakout over the 600s again. I got literally was 0.25, 1 tick away from getting filled right there at that 98s there. I'm taking a little long right here off the 600s, off this little pullback. See if we can push up here quickly. 609s or 610s. I think it's overall pretty good risk to reward. Pretty much only risking $150 here. Maybe a little more. We'll risk $300 off that 600 level here. $400. We're gonna risk 400 for a possible $800 to $1,000 move here. Let's see if we can get it. Try to get a little long there earlier, got stopped out. Let's see if we can get it again here. The key to this, the focus, the big focus, my friends, is just small losses, keeping your losses in check, and then getting those big winners, right? Get those big winners, small losses. That's how you make money in this game. You got to cut off those losers, and you got to jump back in, even no matter what. Like, I just lost that trade. Okay, that's fine. Well, now I think it's going to break the upside. Perfect. I'm back in. Let's go. Let's not even think about it. Let's not even waste any time, any effort. And let's look for that money. That money. Showing some strength. We get a push back above this 06 level. Might be able to get a push above the 10s next. All right, I'm looking for this 10 break. Oh my, we're gonna get filled. Here we go. Look at this. Fuck me, baby Jesus. Are you kidding me right now? Was that not the best trade of my life? It might have been. I didn't even have time to change it. Look at it, still going. 14s. Did we have some news come out? Is something happening right now? There's something happening. Literally entered there at the 06s, out at the 12s. We're up $4,000 on the day. $4,000 on the day. Let's go. Happy that I jumped in for that momentum. And that trade literally was, we got the break over this high on that candle right there. So once we got the break over that high, I get this candle right here. I said on the live stream, we get a break over the 06s. There's that push up, and it just went to the moon all the way up there to 18s. So right now looking like everyone's pretty green. We got a couple red people, but we got most of the chat 77% in the green right now. So love to see it. Come on, let's go. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Let's blow it up. We got 30 more likes until 500. Can we get there?